Hi, my name is Ryan Atzert. I am co-owner and founder of Federal Hill Smokehouse. I guess you could call me the pit master, but I'm not really one to like that term. A normal day around here is usually here, walking in between 5:30. I'm pulling the briskets off from the night before, wrapping them, temping them, making sure they're done, throwing the ribs on, throwing the turkey on, getting the pinto beans started. I head home or do some errands for a few hours, roll back in about 9 o'clock, and then, I start, check on the turkey, I check on the ribs, I throw the sausage on, and then, start with sides. Whoever's here working with me, we start doing the sides, start getting ready for the day. 11 o'clock, the doors open. Hopefully there's a lot of people walking in, and then we're fairly busy for the next, 2 to 3 hours. And hopefully we sell everything we make, and then, out of here by 4 o'clock. Our most popular dishes are probably, the brisket's probably the most popular, followed by the turkey. We go through a ton of mac and cheese here. Meat-wise, brisket is by far the most popular thing we do. When Food and Wine magazine named us Best Barbecue in Pennsylvania, it was like a complete shock, to be honest. And I didn't even realize that the article came out until 3 or 4 weeks after it came out, and I was just clicked a link one day and I scrolled down to Pennsylvania and I saw it and I was like, I can't believe this. It was nuts, and ran upstairs to tell my wife and call my mom and send her the link, and it was super cool. You never expected anything like this when I opened this place up. A lot of people didn't think that this was a good location. A lot of people told me not to open up here, that there's no parking, nobody's around. But it's cool that we're a destination for people not only in Erie but from out of town to come here. Everybody up here on this corner really works together, and it's really cool to have that sense of community up here on 26th and Peach. Future for us, we're kind of happy with what we do, and it seems to be going well, so if it's not broke, we don't really want to fix it. You never know. If next year I could have 2 food trucks and another location, but as of right now, I want to keep it pretty simple,